So Himal, are you ready
Yeah.
with yes or no sticks?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm going to give you one statement. You have to pick one. Okay. Are you a lazy kind of girl? I don't think so. Yes. Oh.
I'm a split personality.
Yeah.
I talk a lot, but I like to sit and just not move too much when on my free days. So yeah.
Okay. Are you single? Yes. Huh? What is that? You have confusion? Okay, let's make it. I'll clarify it. Just tell me if you have any doubts. Tell me the story.
No, I'm just confused. Should I be putting it out there if I'm single or not? But yeah.
You are single.
Sadly, yeah.
For on screen. So tell
No,
me.
I mean, see, it's just like mostly I think our lives are so difficult. We have to keep traveling. It's very difficult to find the time to honestly maintain a relationship. So
Okay. Being dumped.
thank God,
No.
I can't take it.
Okay. Okay. Walked out of theatre.
Never.
No.
I respect
Even if
films
the film
a
is
lot.
very
I will
boring.
watch it till the end.
Oh.
I will sit there and watch it, but I can't walk out of a theatre.
Such a sweetheart you are. Okay. Flirting on sets. Did you experienced?
Experienced. Actually, I'm a little slow to understand if someone's
They are flirting.
But I think everyone's very friendly, so I can't say. Maybe no, maybe yes. I honestly, let me tell you one thing. I'm that kind of a person who nobody approaches. I don't know why.
Oh.
Even in my college, all my friends, boys will come and talk to them. Nobody will come and talk to me. I don't know why.
Mm.
So you
Now
guys
they'll
tell me
talk
why.
after watching
maybe
this.
maybe they're like, this girl talks so much, we don't want her. So no.
You talk from your heart, right? That's why they don't like.
Yeah, maybe.
బట్ ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైనా చూసిన వాళ్ళు కామెంట్ చేస్తారు దెల్ కామెంట్
Yes.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
ఐ డూ వియర్డ్ థింగ్స్ వెన్ నో బడీ ఈస్ వాచింగ్
When everybody's watching also.
సూపర్ డూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ సూపర్ పవర్
Yeah, I think I have a superpower of understanding the real people, like reality in people. I always understand what the person is like, because a lot of times in today's generation we put up a different facade. We are not ourselves everywhere, but I always understand what a person, and I can understand what's going on in the front person's mind. So yeah, this everyone around me will agree. Even my co-star Raj will agree. I always know what's going on in
Wow.
the person's head.
గ్రేట్ క్వాలిటీ హ్యాడ్ ఏ క్రష్ ఆన్ సెలబ్రిటీ
Of course. So many. Oh my god. Like, where do I even start? Like, I come from a non-filmy background. So for me, I was a major fangirl of every other celebrity, from Vijay Deverakonda to Mahesh Babu. Like, I have been a total like starstruck crush on so many people. These are only two to name. If I start again the list, we'll just sit here.
ఓకే విజయ్ దేవరకొండ
Mahesh Babu, I love. Ram Charan Garu.
రామ్ చరణ్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కిల్ మ్యారీ అండ్ హుక్అప్
Okay, that's so hard. I can't.
యూ హ్యావ్ టు
Okay, if I have to marry, it's going to be Mahesh Babu.
హీస్ ఆల్రెడీ మ్యారీ
I know, but still, I feel Namrata, ma'am, she's also Maharashtrian, so like somewhere I feel like my Maharashtrian Marathi card will work. And if I have to kill,
Yeah.
I can't kill either. Yeah, I have if I'm telling you I have a crush on both of them, how can I kill them?
హుక్అప్
I don't want to hook up also. I want to marry all three. I want to marry all three.
మ్యారీ ఆల్ త్రీ ఓకే మహేష్ బాబు ఇస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ బట్ యూ క్యాన్ గో విత్ విజయ్ దేవరకొండ ఐ థింక్
He has too many girls crushing on him,
Yeah,
so I'm sure
maybe.
my number is not coming.
maybe we may see you acting with Vijay Deverakonda.
Let's hope. I would love to act with him. He chooses really good scripts, so yeah.
So what you have to say about Ram Charan? Why you like him?
So when I watched Rangasthalam, I was very mind blown. Also because that was also Samantha Garu in that film. I feel what I love about her also, I want to mention, is that she does not act to look good. She acts to make the audience believe that that's a real person, which is beautiful. And of course, Ram Charan Garu, I don't need to say, the whole industry loves him. He has done such great films, such big films. Only I feel he deserves major credit for being so real in the characters.
Yeah.
Which is why I really like him. He's very real when he acts.
So if you got chance to work as Samantha in Rangasthalam 2, will you carry your outfit like this?
Of course, just
the
now
glamour.
when I told you about my film Unad, you think I was wearing mini skirts and picking up the crab. I was total. You won't recognize me. I am also a very artist at heart. I just want to do roles. In fact, you know it. Come on, we are girls. If there's no makeup and no this, we are more than happy. Can take us.
We should not talk about it.
We are more than happy. 1 hour late, we can come on set. You
Yeah.
know, so it's like that. I would love to do roles which show me for who I am, but I feel that's a long way to go. So one step at a time, and I'm sure I will do such roles. I'm not at all.
Do you have any dream projects?
I would like to do a biopic for sure, because biopics interest me a lot. It's very interesting to perform another character but give it your own individuality as well. So I would like to do, I don't, if you ask me one particular, I don't have anything in mind right now. But as an artist, my goal is to do a biopic someday. So yeah.
So you don't have any personalities like
I am open, because again, like I said, I'm just starting off my career, so I'm very open. I don't have any, because when I see what Priyanka Chopra did in Mary Kom, or I have now you know, Saina Nehwal's biopic is coming up, and all of the, when I see the kind of hard work they put in to perform those roles. So I feel that is something I would like to totally give myself to. 1 year, don't take anything else, just give yourself totally to it. I would love to do that.
so what are the other projects you are going to?
So right now I am again doing a lot of work there. To be very honest, I am waiting for something really good to come up in Telugu as
Telugu.
well. I have been getting a lot of work, but since this is such a, you know, like I told you, it's such a interesting combination of great technicians, great director, great hero coming together. I want my next thing to be at least at par with this. So I'm making sure I'm making the right choices, because I feel you have to be very careful when you're starting off your career. That's exactly why. So watch out. There will be some great news is coming soon when it comes to.
So finally, what you have to say about Power Play?
I
to
want
audience?
to, yeah, I would just like to say that mainly, of course, 5th March, our film is releasing. And please watch it in theatres, because it has been so long. We are waiting for this. When will the theatres open? And now also the 100% occupancy has been allowed. So this is the best time. Go out there, because our film is everything you can ask for. It takes you from all emotions. It is not just a thriller. It also, there's a love angle involved to it. There's drama. There's everything together, and it's a power play of all emotions. So please go and watch it in theaters. 5th March is the date, and if you feel like gifting me something on my birthday, because my birthday is 2nd March, so please go and watch our films in theaters. That's the best gift you guys could ever give me. Thank you.
Advance happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for your lovely time.
Thank you so much.